Alright guys, you have created your channel, customized your channel, and now the most important part is uploading your videos. So before we do that, just want to talk about how are the ways you can do it. Obviously, you can use your mobile phone, take a video, and then you can upload through even through the YouTube app itself directly. Alright, or you can use a camera, take a video, save the video, then after that on your computer upload the channel. So I'm going to be showing you a couple of ways to do that. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to upload your very first YouTube video just by using your mobile phone and the YouTube app. Okay, so all you do is go in towards the YouTube app, right? And you can see that there's a plus sign at the bottom. Just click on that plus sign and you will be given an option to create a video or go live. So in this case, we are not allowed to go live first unless you have reached a certain minimum criteria. But in this case, I just want to show you how to upload a video. When you click on upload a video, you have a choice to either upload the videos that you have existing inside your phone, or you just simply click on record and you can do a live recording. Let's try and do one right now, okay? Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be creating my very first video to upload into Technical Vibes 101. So I hope you're subscribed and stay tuned. Alright, so once you have that, it will autoplay your video and you can see what you have just done, and you can choose to either trim it or even like just do some simple modifications or color changes. You can choose whatever tone that have, but in this case we just want to upload a video, and all you need to do is click on next, and you'll be required to create a title. Let's say my first video, and description is obviously my new channel. Okay, let's create something simple, and there we have it. Back to the first page, and you can choose to put as public, or you can put as private or unlisted. Unlisted means that it's not listed obviously, and if you send the link to someone else, the person can view. But if it's private, only people you choose specifically can choose to view this video. Okay, in this case, let's set to public. And location, you can put, if you wish, you can put a specific location that you want to have, and then we will just click on next. And next, you are now, YouTube has this new requirement, whether is it made for kids. No, they just want to make sure that you do not exploit children in videos that you're creating. So no, it's not made for kids, and I'll choose upload. Okay, and there you have it. Your videos will be uploaded. I believe the videos have to go through a certain check before they can be shown. And now you have our first video up, and it's already live to the world. So I hope this helps in terms of creating your video using your mobile phone. Next, I'll show you how to upload a video on your computer. So go back to your channel page again, and under your own channel itself, you can see the option to choose upload a video. Or you can go to the top right, there's this camera icon where it says create. You can also click on that to create your video. So again, if I were to just click on this button, it will open up and actually allow me to select files or drag and drop videos to upload. Alright, so in this case, I'm just showing you an option to, let's say, probably I'll just put in a quick one just to show something out. Okay, let's try to do this. Let's open this up, and you will upload the video, and while it's uploading, you can change whatever information you need. Okay, the title as what you want to put it as, descriptions, you can tell videos of what you're trying to do. And in the next video, I will show you how to create and upload a thumbnail. Alright, and in this part, you will see that it's processing the video, and once it processes the video, it will also let you know, and you can take to the next step when you can actually do more changes. Alright, so in this video, we'll just try to keep it simple. The next part, of course, you have to add in some elements if you wish. If not, you can, the next step will be putting in subtitles or even adding an end screen. These are a little bit further, but I just want you to start your very first video, creating it and uploading it, and just getting it out first. Alright, thanks again. If this is the first time in this channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you more, and click on the notification button so that you know that you can get more videos like this.